Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've got Cowboy Dan on with us now, and he's going to be sharing a little bit, and he is going to be on 4WBN on Saturdays at 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Well, I am so excited. I've had the opportunity to meet you in person, and I have heard great things about your program, about what God is doing.
I tell you, that's the wonderful thing about being in this business is the people that you're surrounded by.
Like God's using this platform to take you around the world to minister to the children around the world.
Well, I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. You know, Kevin and I have been doing this for several years. We've always had a theme of agriculture because that's my heart. That's what I make a living at. And of course, agriculture is growing food, but it's doing other things too, and trying to teach kids where their food comes from and understanding the heart of that. But Candlestick Ministry, which is Kevin's ministry, is all about the mission of spreading the good news of Jesus through media. And so I'm just, again, thank you for allowing me to be on this platform.
You were talking about agriculture, and you know, you plant a seed and you get corn. You plant, you know, peas and you get whatever. You get the peas, and it's a very good thing because it's whatever you plant, courteous, you know, being courteous, you know, manners, this, that, you know, kindness, love, money, God's going to multiply it back. So agriculture is a great foundation to teach from.
It is. And not just that lesson, but think about this. You mentioned peas. If you plant peas, you don't get apples.
That's right.
If you plant corn, you don't get watermelon.
That's right.
God designed this world. And hey, I've got tomatoes growing in my garden right now. From the little bitty seed of tomato, I'll get over 100 little cherry tomatoes. Isn't that a wonderful design?
It's
That's
awesome.
Designed by a genius.
Well, I'm so excited because our children need to hear the Word of God. They don't need cartoons.
I am very grateful. I keep saying that, but I mean that. Kevin and I have been looking for a bigger platform because I think we do have a good message. I'm not the only voice in agriculture. I'm not the only voice speaking about Jesus, but I do think we have a unique message and a unique program that does both of those things very well.
Mm-hmm. And it's really, you present to people that it's cool to be a Christian and a man. Well, I look forward to this Saturday and seeing your program, and it's going to be awesome. And we are excited about getting the word out about Cowboy Dan, giving the word of God to everybody. And I thank you
so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, and to everybody out there, don't you forget, Cowboy Dan loves you.
Okay, and God bless you, and thank you so much.
God bless y'all. Thank you.
Bye-bye.